Okay, so first up, we're just headed to GFS, my true home away from home. I'm there a lot. Prices are going up again. Look at this. $10.99. So in the world we're living in, the fancy ranch, the Marzetti Ranch, is less expensive than the GFS brand. That's the world we're living in right now. They have tomatoes. I have been waiting on these tomatoes. This is how much I shop here.
Look at that. Yeah.
And I'm videoing it. They're not gonna believe me.
All right, then your total is $4.96.
$4.96. It's starting to rain on us. Yay. Okay, now we get to unload all this. To give you a better view. All right, let's go. Usually this is when I have my Starbucks and I chug that on the way over here and then I'm like, yikes to do this. But I didn't have a Starbucks today. This car is a vibe. Bullhorns and all. Can you see me pulling up at the GFS in this thing? Oh, sorry, hi. All right, it is veggie omelet time. Omelet for breakfast. I haven't made this in years. So just a veggie omelet. I've got potatoes, broccoli, onions, and green peppers. 3 eggs in there. My egg cracking skills are weak, very weak to say the least. So we're just gonna add a little bit of 1% milk, about meow. And I'm gonna whisk this together. All right, I just added a little salt and pepper right into the scrambled egg mix. And I'm just using my spatula because we're not doing extra dishes. Like, come on. We're at home alone. No one to impress here. Except for everybody. All right, now we're just gonna pour this egg mixture over all my veggies. And I'm gonna let that sit for, I'm gonna say like a minute or two. So it gets a really good crispy bottom and it's easy to flip. All right, so I didn't have any shredded cheese, so I just sliced up a piece of Colby Jack. And we're gonna like, just fumble that right on there. Because we gotta have cheese, right? All right, it's pulling away from the edge pretty nice. That's a good sign. So I think it just needs a little more time so it'll have a nice clean flip on it. So, I mean, it's not perfect, but we got it. Not perfect, but we got it. So not too bad. We had to do a little damage control, but all in all, it still came out pretty good. So I just go in with a little yogurt ranch. Finish it with a little fresh parsley. And voila, a beautiful, yummy veggie breakfast omelet. Okay, so I finally finished the backsplash thing behind the toilet. I went with like this vinyl wallpaper stuff. I need to buff it out. It came out okay. Definitely not perfect, but better than it was. So, all right, so it's Keep It Real Wednesdays. We're not wearing makeup. I'm getting rained on. The hair is wild. So just keeping it real today. So just getting home, I just finished up everything with the bar this week. So it's good to go. So now I can focus on my secret YouTube life. So I've got my first Zolful collaboration. So I just set up the room downstairs. The last haul I did was, it just wasn't unintentional. I didn't really focus. I didn't put that much effort into it. So this time, you know, if y'all are gonna start sending it to me, like, I'm gonna put a little effort into it. Let me show you what I set up down here. So I already set up the outfits just so I'm like good to go, you know, just it's easier for my life in the morning. So the outfits are already picked out. They're actually pretty cute. Like I like pretty much all of them. And then we just gave it a little background. So it's just like more interesting to look at.
What's your housewife's tag?
My tagline is most interesting to look at.
It's just more intentional. It acts like we actually give a little crap about what we're shooting, you know? And then we've got like the lighting set up over here, paint can because we have to make it work, honey. So hopefully we just got some good weather in the morning and the lighting will be bomb and it'll just be the cutest little video. First one. So come on, if you guys are gonna start throwing them at me, I'm gonna hit it out of the park, babe. So until tomorrow I'm gonna look like a completely different human. It's wild what hair and makeup and some like coffee can do for a girl. So until tomorrow. Okay, so I just got myself ready. I'm getting ready to do the Zolful collab video. This is my first one. I really feel like this room was just like made for this though. Like look at this. Like where you're putting in the effort this time. So getting ready to do that. You know, girls gotta do what a girl's gotta do right now. Gas prices is up. We gotta get all the free shit we can get, you know? What would you do for a Klondike? So first collab video, I'm actually really excited. This is fun. Like this is fun. So I'm going to attempt to do a collab video. So here I go. Okay, so I just finished the Zolful video. I thought it went pretty well. I still have to edit and everything, so we'll see. Hopefully they like it. But that was a lot of fun. Like that kind of stuff is fun. I love little fashion videos, little haul videos, so right up my alley. So thank you again, Zolful. So also some more collabs to come. So this is kind of exciting. This is kind of a little shocking, like I said before, but I am here for it. So you guys want to send me stuff? It's fun for me. This is a good time. I'll totally make these kind of videos. So
this one's on me. Let's go downtown tonight. One shot, two shot.
Okay, so as you can hear, the fireworks are like right outside my house. Back at Fairfield Beach again. Oh my god, we're gonna miss the finale. So let me show you.
It is raining so hot.
Okay guys, so it's the next day. So I just had to do a little collab video with Teddy Blake. Check that out. Their handbags are so cute. And I just went to a little fireworks show at my friend's house. And that is the weekend. So thank you guys for watching and until next time.